All right, ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to the virtual Citrix Ready Partner Pavilion at HIMSS 21. In this session, I bring a very special partner called Process Fusion. And I know print management can sometimes be a pain in the neck in the virtualized environments. And I have my good friend Daniel to help you with that. Hi, Daniel. Welcome to the show.
Hi, how are you? Glad to be on the
I'm
show.
good. I'm good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Daniel, so let's get right to it. But before we get into the details, can you tell the audience who you are and what you do at Process Fusion?
My name is Daniel. I'm physically located in Toronto, Canada. Our company, Process Fusion, is a ISV, software developers, and we develop for Citrix and we develop for other EHR platforms such as Epic, Cerner, Meditech. Um, and I am the Chief Marketing Officer for Process Fusion, so I am in charge of the go-to-market strategy for the company.
Awesome. Awesome. Great. All right. So you mentioned, your integration with Citrix. Do you want to elaborate a little bit around how does Process Fusion integrate with Citrix and what are those details?
Yes, well, the integration is really, really simple. Many years ago, we saw a problem. We went out to solve a problem, which is the printing problem for Citrix, for the virtual apps, for the virtual desktop, and for now the Citrix Workplace. We replaced the traditional print driver or the universal print driver from Citrix with our special standard-based print driver using PDF. And that is really the foundation of our integration. So when people using our PDF-based universal print drivers, there's many possibilities that open up that help them simplify all the print management. And our solution is 100% device and network agnostic, meaning it doesn't matter you're using Xerox, Canon, HP Brother, it all works, and it would allow customers to print from anywhere they want, anytime they want. And the exciting news for us, which we'll share with the HIMSS audience, is that we take this technology one step forward, and that is to allow people to print to digital. And when I talk about print to digital, it's print to the EHR system, print to Epic, print to a bot, a software bot from UiPath or Blue Prism, to automate some of the workflow. And because print, kind of like fax in healthcare, it's very ubiquitous. Everyone knows how to send a piece of fax, press the green button, and lots of people know how to print as well. Except there's no piece of paper coming off of printers. They are now printing to digital workflow.
Awesome. Awesome. Great. Can you talk about a little bit how would a clinician, for example, or a hospital IT admin would use your software, your solution to make their employees' life simpler?
Sure. So it all started off with the print management, and it's all about working with what is available, the existing infrastructure within the health system, the health authority, or at the hospital's level. So the first thing that's for print, the biggest worry is actually, as much as print is not sexy, if print goes down, there's lots of eyes lots of problems that cause when print goes down. So our solution added a very robust high availability system that does not rely on Microsoft Print Server. So our high availability allow uptime or close to 99.999% uptime, automatic failover of the print infrastructure. So to start with, it takes the worry of downtime away from a IT administrator that managing the print infrastructure. The second one that we have is about integration with the existing infrastructure. So the print solution, because we are standard based, we are using a PDF as a standard for us. And PDF, and we compress, we secure the PDF. So rather than dealing with the traditional print stream like PostScript or PCL, is a highly efficient protocol. We have one of the fastest printing speed that's available on the market today. And because we're using that universal print driver, from an IT standpoint, they do not need to worry about, well, where exactly are the doctors or the nurses or the healthcare practitioner are physically located, especially given in a Citrix environment, right? We have this technology called smart route printing. We can associate that session, that Citrix session, with where the user are located, and automatically map those printers that are closest to that printers to that users and to allow print job to go there. So there's no issue of a HIPAA non-compliance. So I print something on the second floor, but the print job go out on the 10th floor or on the different buildings. So we are fully aware of the location of that users and follow that users and allow the user to release the print job at view using their smart card. And we work with Imprivata, which is one of the standard. A lot of healthcare organizations using Imprivata single sign-on. So when the doctor tap and release, we have one of the fastest tap and release solution on the market today because of that PDF compression. And the last bit that kind of take away a little bit of the headache from the IT standpoint or the user standpoint is in healthcare, we see a lot of what we call specialty printers. The check-in, you have that wristband with the barcode, the zebra printers, the symbol printers. So not only we are device and network agnostic, we are agnostic to those specialty printers as well. So our solution can support those really specialized label printers that are part of the workflow within the healthcare environments.
So what I'm hearing, Daniel, is the solution is secure. So that's one of your key components. It makes an IT admin's or the user's life really simple. And it basically just reinforces the whole print management solution can be simplified in a healthcare environment. Did I get that right?
Yes, Rubo, absolutely. So on the security side, I want to add to that too. So I think a lot of privacy, security, very important to healthcare, and same with prosecution. We take security seriously, and we don't just talk about that. We are security conscious and zero trust. We a big commitment that we have to demonstrate our security compliance is certifications. So what we have done is we are a SOC 2 Type 2 compliant organizations. We are going through our final audit for our ISO 27001 certifications. We are HIPAA compliant for our European friends and customers. Of course, we are GDPR compliant as well. So that commitment for audit certifications, SOC 2 Type 2 ISO, really, make sure our customers feel comfortable, right, dealing with a product, a solution, and a company, partners that have equal commitment to security.
Awesome. That makes sense. Absolutely. Daniel, tell me, who are your customers? Who is using Process Fusion together with Citrix? And if I can see your technology in action, that'd be great as well.
Sure. Well, to start with, I prepared a short video that I'll be sharing with the audience here, right? Right after this. So, from a customer standpoint, we have 4 major markets that we play in today. In North America, of course, the United States, Canada. In Europe, we have UK and the EU in the EU countries. So in Canada, many of the health authorities are using our solutions. Probably, I would say in Canada, about 25% to 30% of healthcare authorities are using our platform for print management. The Canadian federal government also just approved our products as a secure print release solution, a device network agnostic print secure print solutions for the federal governments across Canada. In the United States, we have over 150 health systems and health organizations using our systems, including some very big ones that are over close to 100,000 users. Community health system came to mind in the US. In Europe, the one that came to mind is a region of Hofstetten in the Netherlands. Our systems is managing over 25,000 concurrent users, over 7,000 print devices on a single management platform. Our journey into the UK NHS Trust has started. We have now a small UK office that is doing the work. We had a handful of NHS trusts using our solution today, and we expect the growth to continue in the UK. And at this time, I want to share with the audience a short videos that we produce for our healthcare customer at HIMSS. And please take a look. It's very short. That gives you an overview of our solutions at work in a healthcare setting.
All right, let's get into the video.
In our hospital, we wanted to build our healthcare environment to enable staff to devote more time for patient care. But spending time signing into and printing from multiple workstations can be a challenge for even the most efficient hospitals. Healthcare workers may accidentally send patient data to the wrong printer, potentially exposing personal health information and violating regulatory requirements. By integrating with the Imprivata One Sign, Uniprint Infinity leverages Imprivata's single sign-on and authentication capabilities, enabling seamless and secure on-demand printing. By deploying Uniprint Infinity together with Citrix and Imprivata One Sign, we optimized clinical workflow and improved the quality of patient care while complying with industry regulations.
That was great, Daniel. And you mentioned earlier the scale of your customers. I know I've been working with Process Fusion as a partner for a few years now, and it's amazing to hear the scale that you guys have been able to achieve. That's amazing.
Thank you.
Okay, let's talk a little bit about competition now. Do you want to walk the audience through how do you differentiate among competitors and what's in it for them?
Yes, well, our competitors are doing a great job on the print side, just like us. But I want to say is what differentiates us is really this innovation about print to digital. We are betting our company future on this very simple idea that print is ubiquitous, just like faxing, right? And that's why faxing has not gone away yet in healthcare. There's still lots of faxes coming in because it is ubiquitous, right? There's no integration. We talk about standard. Our system work with HL7, FHIR, and all those common standard framework for healthcare messaging, but it does require some integration work, right, between two systems in healthcare, and there are many systems in healthcare. So the print, the action of file print or faxing are so ubiquitous everywhere that is simple, and we see great opportunity. We are looking at printing as just an action, not the piece of paper with ink coming out of a device. So that creates tremendous opportunity for us right now for organization in healthcare, a primary care submitting some referral documents into the acute care or organization, the secondary care organization with just printing. And we do not need to have the two systems talking to other. We do not need a front-end system talking to a Epic system in the back end. The printing allows us to capture all the information, all the metadata that we need securely, and then pass the data into the back-end systems. If the back-end system are closer system, we are increasingly looking at this print to RPA solutions that we are developing. And we have already connectors built for UiPath and Blue Prism, and we are working closely with Microsoft on the Power Automate platform. So the idea, again, is very simple. I go file print, the data, the metadata, and whatever images that is coming with, the bot take it, and then basically we can pass the critical data that trigger the bot to do whatever the bot is programmed to do, right? To take it to the next business process. So that really differentiates us from a traditional print vendors. Well, we all manage the printing, but we are looking printing totally differently right now.
That's revolutionary. That's revolutionary. That's amazing. Thank you so much, Daniel. It's been a pleasure talking to you. My last question, if people want to know more about Process Fusion, where can they go?
Well, please visit the Citrix Ready page. It is at citrixready.citrix.com, or you type Citrix Ready and they will bring you there. And go there and look for either Process Fusion or look for Infinity, Uniprint Infinity, and we have our product listed there, and there's lots of resources available. And of course, feel free to give us a call anytime. Our healthcare demonstration surrounding our print to digital technology are superb. But again, the physical devices printing will still be with us for a little while. So we could help you solve that immediate physical print to physical problem. But love to show you our print to digital innovation in a demo setting, and you'll be impressed.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Daniel, for today's presentation, and thank you for your partnership with Citrix.
Thank you, Rubo. Thank you for inviting.
Awesome. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time for attending this session. See you on another session in a virtual event. Signing off for now. Thank you.